SevenRooms was able to make a really fast pivot, probably the fastest I've ever seen in a company. All the teams were able to work collaboratively to, kind of fight for the industry at a time when it needs it most. I truly, truly don't know how we would have been able to mobilize as fast as we did, just in terms with so few people and, just all the different things that we were able to build really, really fast because we had kind of unknowingly set ourselves up for success beforehand.
We really had to adapt our day-to-day for COVID. We had a lot of missed handshakes. We had a lot of missteps because we didn't have that connectivity that we needed. And we wanted a solution that gave us the empowerment and enabled our number one goal, which was not only successful customers, but successful teams that were working to support and provide success to our customers. And so for all of those reasons, we went through a pretty intensive proposal process and RFP. And ultimately, Tatango is our technology platform at Lucid.
The simple workspace that is inherent in Tatango that comes with that. It sounds again silly, but just managing tasks and touch points for your portfolio wasn't something that anyone really had in a standardized way. It was all on notepads or in Excel or in Outlook. So we hear a lot of positive feedback of just even having that workspace to understand the holistic picture and being able to manage work with our customers.
It's easy to sometimes chase the squirrel, as I like to say. So the first thing that comes in the inbox and you go chasing after that. And then the next thing comes and you chase that. And the next thing comes and you chase that. This really gives us an opportunity to live and breathe the expectations of what we really need to be focused on as an organization. So scorecards are the Success Block scorecard has been very instrumental in us to be able to run programs and effectively manage our teams and our individual contributors in a way that allows them to focus on the right tasks at hand.
We're still growing very rapidly. For a large company, our cloud business in particular is growing very rapidly. So we need to be able to be more efficient and more effective. We just can't keep throwing bodies at our customer success efforts. So things like digital engagement, things like making information more accessible and on demand for our customers, and then using data to help prompt the customer to engage with those on-demand assets and those on-demand capabilities.
We did like a proper POC. We looked at a couple of tools, it was Tatango, Gainsight, Churn Zero, I think, and we really gave everyone a fair chance. But I think that at the end of the day, what we wanted is to make sure that we have very quick time to value. We're a growth startup. Everything runs super quickly. We don't have the ability to run through a project that goes through a year. I need to be able to show my CEO, the board, that within months of implementation, there's already result.
I have a story about COVID-19, which is something I'm personally very, very proud of and wanted to share with you. So we did all the automation. We knew exactly who is overusing. We knew that we need to approach and sell. But both the field team, the management, up to the CEO, it wasn't so important for them, and it was just myself and the team chasing and want to make it happen. And then COVID-19 came to the world. And then like everywhere, okay, customer success is the focus. We need to get each and every penny from the customers that are using it. And we were ready. Okay? We made the investment on time, and we were able just in one quarter, in Q2, when the Corona started and the world was shocked, we were able to upsell to our users $500,000 just as a direct result of the processes that we implemented and the adoption that we followed up upon.
So it's really been an absolute game changer. It keeps a lot of people on the same page, and leveraging technology and different tools that we have available to us are the only thing that have made the last few months possible.
We're able to take also Tatango from just being a customer success centric system to becoming a system that serves other departments in the organization. And I think that when I listened to your Flywheel presentation, it was really talking about the fact that how a platform can kind of expand into other places, and this is like really containing that full cycle of the customer.